Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Mute your mic. Very good. Okay. So students, this is your 5th का E part है. Who said the following statement and to whom? तो कल हमने जो किया था वो A, B, C and D पार्ट कर लिया था. आज हम E and F पार्ट करेंगे. ओके. Who said the following to whom? ये जो sentences हैं किसने किससे कहे थे. So why are you not eating, Aryan? Who said the following? किसने कहा कि why are you not eating, Aryan? आर्यन तुम क्यों नहीं खा रहे हो? ये वर्ड्स किसने कहे थे? Choose the following statement.
Mother.
Okay, Aryan's mother.
Mother.
Slow down.
Sir. Recording हो रही है?
Okay, wait. Just mute your mic, beta. Mute your mic. So these sentences किसने कहे थे? Yes, Aryan's mother ने कहे थे. To whom? Aryan's की किसने कहे थे? आदित्य 2551.
मैम
आर्यन कहा था, बट टू किससे कहा? Students, switch on your camera. All students. Aryan. Sorry, Aditya. No response. Okay. Aryan mother ने तो कहा था, but to whom? किससे कहा था? Write your answer in your chat box.
करो किसने बोला था? मैम बोल रही हूँ.
Aryan's mother ने तो कहा था कि why are you not eating, Aryan? तो किससे कहा?
मैम
Okay, very good. Said to Aryan. Okay, very good. So students write Aryan. Y-A-N. Handwriting should be neat and clean. Aryan's.
मैम
Just mute your mic, beta. Can please speak, host.
ये हो गया पूरा.
Students, mute your mic. I am not able to mute you. Students, please mute your mic, beta. Aryan's mother. Aditya and Verma, mute your mic. Aryan mother said, S-A-I-D said,
Y-A-N.
said to Aryan. A-R-Y-A-N. Aryan. Aryan.
Mother and son. Mother.
Aditya, mute your mic, बच्चे.
Excuse me, मेरा आधा रह गया.
Mute your mic, beta. This is the first question of E part. This is the first question of E part. Sorry, question number 5 and part E. Mute your mic, all students. So Aryan's mother said the Aryan. Why are you not eating, Aryan? Who said the following statement? Aryan's mother said to Aryan. Okay, your second question is, okay, you cannot eat it at home. Sorry. ओके, यू कैन ईट इट एट होम, ये किसने कहा था? ओके, यू कैन ईट इट एट होम, तुम इसे अपने घर में खा सकते हो। हु सेड द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट? राइट योर आंसर इन योर चैट बॉक्स। यस, आर्यंस मदर। टू होम, आर्यंस की मम्मा ने किससे कहा था? टू होम। आर्यन मदर नहीं आएगा, आर्यंस मदर। आर्यंस मीन्स आर्यन के। जब हम आर्यंस लिखते हैं ना, तो इसका मतलब है आर्यन के मम्मा। ठीक है, राइट करिए, आर्यंस, ARYAN पोस्ट्रोफी S। ये छोटा सा डॉट लगाकर कोमा लगाएंगे, उसके बाद S लगाएंगे। आर्यंस मदर, यस, आर्यंस मदर said to, yes, very good, Aryan's mother said to Aryan, ARYAN. Complete your answer. Aryan's mother said to Aryan. Okay, done. Okay, done, beta. Mama बाद में बताएंगे. Okay, just done. So now this is your question number 6. Answer the following question. Why was Aryan happy? Now tell me the answer. Why was Aryan happy? Aryan क्यों खुश था? Why was Aryan happy? Just raise your hand. Just raise your hands, beta. Why was Aryan happy? Any reason? खुश होने का कोई रीजन था बेटा? आर्यन क्यों खुश था? Just raise your hand. Okay, Dhruv. Very good. So, question. Okay, Dhruv Thakur. Unmute your mic. Unmute your mic, beta. Dhruv.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning. Okay, tell me the correct answer. Why was Aryan happy? What is the reason behind it?
अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ लंच करने गया था, जा रहा था.
Okay. Anything else? उसे सबसे ज्यादा क्या पसंद था? वो क्या खाने वाला था?
पिज्जा.
Yes, very good. Because he was eating pizza in his lunch. वो lunch में क्या खाने वाला था? Pizza. Very good. So mute your mic and write the answer. Very good. Excellent, beta. So students, write question answer number 6. Question is, why was Aryan happy? So answer is because he was eating, because Aryan was eating, या फिर because BECAUSE, because he was eating, EATING, eating pizza, 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 ININHIS, his, lunch, L-U-N-C-H, lunch, because he was eating pizza in his lunch. Okay, done? I repeat, because B-E-C-A-U-S-E, because he, H-E, was, W-A-S, was eating, E-A-T-I-N-G, eating pizza, P-I-Z-Z-A, pizza, I-N in, H-I-S, his, L-U-N-C-H, lunch. So also write answer here. आप आंसर राइट करेंगे. This is your answer ना? So write answer. क्वेश्चन आंसर है, so write answer. ANS राइट करिएगा. Okay, ANS राइट करिएगा. This is your answer. Now your second question is, how did the boy looked? How did the boy look? Now tell me the correct answer. Just raise your hands. जिन स्टूडेंट्स को आंसर आता है, just raise your hand. How did the boy look? कैसा दिख रहा था boy? How did the boy look? Anyone in the class? Okay. Anika, unmute your mic, beta.
Good morning.
Very good morning. Tell me the answer, beta.
Ma'am, the boy was hungry.
Okay, hungry. The boy was hungry. And any other answer? Okay, mute your mic. एक वो hungry था. Very good, very good. Any other answer, beta? Paniti Sharma, unmute your mic. Paniti Sharma.
Ma'am, hungry.
Not same reason, beta. Different reason, different answer कर सकते हैं. समृद्धि कश्यप.
Okay, ma'am.
समृद्धि, unmute your mic.
Boy was thin and hungry.
Okay. The boy was very thin. Very good. Okay, very good. So the boy was very thin. Yes, very good, Dhruv Thakur. The boy was very thin. Boy कैसा दिख रहा था? The boy was very thin. So write the answer. The boy was very thin. ANS, write ANS. Answer dot लगा लीजिएगा. The THE, the boy, BO by boy, was, 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 very, 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 thin, THIN, thin. The boy was very thin. The boy was very thin. How did the boy look? The boy was very thin. The boy was very thin. Okay, your next question is question number C. Aryan's mother get him another pizza. आर्यंस की मम्मा ने आर्यंस के लिए another pizza क्यों लिया? Why did Aryan's mother get him another pizza? Anyone in the class? Anyone? Tell me the correct answer. Okay, the question goes to Arushi, 48. Unmute your mic, Arushi. Okay.
माइक ऑन बोलो. यस मैम, गुड मॉर्निंग बोलो.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning. Okay, tell me the correct answer. Why did Aryan's mother get him another pizza?
बोलो, आता है आपको?
क्योंकि आर्यन ने अपना पिज्जा थिन बॉय को दे दिया था.
Because Aryan, ठीक है, क्योंकि को क्या बोलेंगे इंग्लिश में? Because. ओके,
ध्यान से.
आर्यन ने अपना पिज्जा दे दिया. आर्यन गिव हिज पिज्जा. किसको दिया था? थिन बॉय या हंग्री बॉय, जो भी आप राइट करना चाहें. ओके, इट्स योर चॉइस. वेरी गुड बेटा. सो राइट योर आंसर. बिकॉज आंसर राइट करिए पहले. ANS आंसर. बिकॉज BECAUSE. बिकॉज Aryan, ARYAN, Aryan gave gave his 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 pizza 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 to किसको दिया था? हंग्री बॉय या फिर थिन बॉय, जो भी आप राइट करना चाहें. हंग्री बॉय. हंग्री बेटर रहेगा बिकॉज द बॉय वॉज वेरी हंग्री ना. यस, हंग्री बॉय. ओके, डन. बिकॉज BECAUSE. बिकॉज आर्यन ARYAN Aryan gave 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 HIS his pizza 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 TO2 hungry 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 boy BOY. Okay, now this is your question number D. Why did the boy's eyes filled with tears? जो बॉय था उसकी आईज टीयर से क्यों फिल्ड थी? समर अनम्यूट योर माइक. Why did boys' eyes filled with tears? Tell me the answer. Summer. ट्राई करिए बेटा. You mute your mic बेटा. Unmute your mic बेटा.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम.
गुड मॉर्निंग.
वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग.
पिज्जा दे दिया था.
ओके, वेरी गुड. सो हम कैसे राइट करेंगे? आर्यन ने अपना पिज्जा दे दिया, आपको आंसर पता है. आर्यन ने अपना पिज्जा दे दिया. हाउ वी कैन राइट? अब हम दिन में थोड़ी राइट करेंगे. आर्यन ने अपना पिज्जा दे दिया, कैसे राइट करेंगे? तो सेंटेंस को फ्रेम करिए. बिकॉज आर्यन gave him yes on पिज्जा. ऑन मीन्स जो उसका अपना पिज्जा था उसने वो उसको दे दिया था. तो उसकी आई से क्या थे? टीयर्स निकल रहे थे. वेरी गुड. सो समर म्यूट योर माइक. वेरी गुड बेटा. ओके, लो डाउन योर हैंड. ओके, वेरी गुड. सो राइट आंसर डी. सो राइट करिए ANS आंसर. ANS डॉट लगा लेंगे. हम डॉट क्यों लगा रहे हैं? क्योंकि हम लोग इसका कंप्लीट स्पेलिंग राइट नहीं कर रहे हैं. So write because, BECAUSE, because Aryan, ARYAN, Aryan gave, GAVE, gave him his own pizza, क्योंकि उसने क्या दे दिया था, his own pizza, अपना पिज्जा जो था उस बॉय को दे दिया था, इसलिए उसकी आंखों से क्या आ रहे थे, आंसू आ गए थे. पिज्जा. Put full stop in the end. Put full stop in the end. Okay, students, done. Done, बच्चे. So students, write the correct answer. So आप अपने आंसर्स राइट करिए. मैम आपको स्क्रीन शेयर करते हैं. ओके, आई एम जस्ट शेयरिंग माय स्क्रीन. So complete your answers. So do fast, बच्चे. Okay, if you have complete your homework, then write I have done in your chat box. If you have complete your work, then write I have done in your chat box. I have done. Okay, Arushi done, Anika done. Okay, Kritika done, Shivyansh done, Manvi done, Ayush done, Tarun done, Dhruv done. Arushi, Priyanjali done. Ritik, Samriddhi done. Okay, very good, Shivyansh. Aditya, Vishal done. Okay.